Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to appear offline on Roblox. So let's get started. First, open the application in your mobile phone, and then next on the lower right side click on the three dots icon and then scroll down to go to settings. So click settings and then next go to privacy. So just a moment. And after that, we need to change this options to no one. So I already selected these options to no one. If the options right here is not set to no one, you need to set it to no one so that you'll be appear offline while you are playing Roblox. So this one, just click the arrow downward to select no one, right? So these three options need to set to no one so that there's no one who can message you, who can text you, and who can text chat with you. So it's just set to no one. Then scroll down on the other settings too. You need to set to no one. And that's it. That's how to set options to appear offline on Roblox while you are playing Roblox. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.